How to set a welfare timer. The welfare timer is your check-in service. Failing to acknowledge an overdue timer raises an alert at the WSG Monitoring Centre. To start a welfare timer, tap Timer at the bottom of the alert screen. The location should populate automatically. If it is out by a few numbers, press the target symbol at the right of the location box. If you are a good distance away from your intended meeting location, press and hold the pin and move it to the desired location. Add extra details at the bottom of the screen that will help responders find you, such as floor level or room number. Tap Confirm Location to set timer length. Adjust the timer if required. If you wish to edit the location or additional information, tap on the edit icon at the far right of each box. Confirm Shake is active when timer is running. The button will appear yellow when enabled. Tap Set Timer to begin the welfare timer. When the timer is running, the app will appear like this. You can restart the timer as often as you like by tapping Restart Timer. You can also use the voice tools as outlined in the WSG setup video. You can cancel a timer at any time, so you do not need to wait the full time period you have initially set. When the timer expires, your selected sound will play and a notification will appear on the screen. The notification will ask you to acknowledge and cancel, or acknowledge and continue if the app is open. If the device is locked, on iPhone, press and hold the notification to stop or continue. For Android, swipe on the lock screen notification. It may require you to unlock the phone first. To use the voice tools, see the How to Set Up WSG video. If you fail to acknowledge a welfare check-in and it exceeds your grace period, which is generally 1 minute, you'll be contacted by the Monitoring Centre to confirm you are okay. To stop an alert sound on your phone continuing, open the app and touch the Acknowledge and Continue or Acknowledge and Stop, and it will stop the sound. When a timer is running, WSG has a unique feature that enables you to escalate your situation to a safety alert. You simply shake the device to activate a safety alert. There's no need to unlock your device or open the app. You'll feel the device vibrate as a discreet confirmation that the Monitoring Centre has received your alert. With Worksafe Guardian, you'll never work alone.